Hi, it's Kifin Bates here, still winter in Finland, and today I'm going to answer a question I was asked a while back, which is what is the difference between a distributed ledger technology, or a DLT, and a blockchain? I think it's a good question to ask. I think there are two answers to it. One is that a distributed ledger technology is distributed, i.e. there's no central authority that runs the ledger, and it's a ledger, so it's basically a database or a spreadsheet, and it's technology. Whereas a blockchain is a particular instance of a DLT in which the transactions that are meant to be recorded in the ledger are packaged into blocks, and there is a consensus system which is used to determine how the blocks are added to the blockchain. So as far as I see it, a blockchain is basically a subset of distributed ledger technology, and there are other solutions out there now. It's not just blocks. There are tangles and webs and individual transaction recordings and enhanced databases, all sorts of different attempts to basically achieve the same thing, which is having a decentralized database that is a ledger which is therefore immutable and cannot be tampered with. So that's it in a nutshell. The second answer is it's to do with fashion. And I know this personally myself, because when I was writing blockchain patents back in 2016, I went through a one-year phase where I didn't use the word blockchain. I used the word distributed ledger technology, precisely because in that year blockchain had a bit of a sort of unfashionable moment, and people were talking about DLTs rather than blockchains. It's picked back up again. After all, it's just a word, and now everybody starts talking about blockchains again. And in fact, sometimes you see people talking about blockchains that are not blockchains at all and are actually just another form of DLT. So I hope that explains it to you. It's not a very sort of poignant or subtle distinction as far as I can tell, but it does trip some people up sometimes. I hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.